And to celebrate the Belle's 100th birthday, Chickaletta wants to show you her new trick. Oh, she's waving to wish everyone a happy Belle Day.
All right, Chickaletta.
If it shines, it's...
What's that?
I'm here for that bird and her shiny hat!
Come back here with my Chickaletta.
Now hand over that hat.
Must call Ryder.
What's up, my good way?
Chickaletta?
Whoa! Better take cover, my good way. But don't worry. No chicken is too big, no pup is too small.
Oh, no! Here come those pesky pups!
Rubble, clear a path for Chickaletta.
You've got it! No! I've got this!
Great job, Rubble. Chase, get those people to move.
Everyone, get out of the way! Giant chicken coming through!
OK, Ella, it's time to lead her out of town.
It's grow time! Hi, Chickaletta. Follow me.
Thank you, mighty pups, for saving Belle Day. And thank you, Chickaletta, for shrinking back down to huggable size. Oh.
You're welcome, my good way. Whenever you have a problem, just ring for help.
We've got a big emergency, team. Grandpa's out of syrup, so we've got to go to the syrup tree and get more. Mini Patrol is on a roll. The syrup tree. We found it. Now I just twist this thingy and... Woo! We've got syrup! It's super slow, though. Maybe I could speed it up. Oops!
Alex!
Hey, Grandpa! I'm getting you more syrup. Lots more.
This thing won't go back on.
The syrup is so sticky.
Uh-oh!
I know! I did it! I stopped the syrup! Well, most of it. But don't worry, the Mini Patrol is here to help.
We might need a little more help. Do you think you can reach my phone?
Yay! The PAW Patrol is here!
Water cannons!
That's chilly.
But so much less sticky.
Thanks, Marshall. Come on, Grandpa.
Wait, Alex!
Oops. Sorry.
It's OK. We'll get that tap fixed soon. Right, Rocky?
You've got it, Ryder. Woof! Claw!
OK, Alex. Pull your finger out on 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's all fixed. These pancakes are great.
I could need another bite.
You know, if it weren't for the PAW Patrol, I think Alex and I would still be stuck in the woods.
Yeah, thanks, Ryder.
Whenever you're in a sticky situation, just yell for help.
PAW Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, Pups. Someone took all the jars of Yumi's yummy honey and a beehive.
A whole hive? Unbelievable.
Whoever took the honey also broke a fence, and now Yumi's animals are loose in her field. So for this mission, I'll need Spy Chase. I need you to use your night vision gear and drone to find the honey and the beehive. And Rocky. I need you to use your tools to fix the fence while we round up the animals. PAW Patrol is on a roll! Rocky, let's fix the fence while Chase rounds up the animals.
Good thing I've got some fence rails.
Megaphone. Suey, here, piggy, piggy, piggies. And here, cowie, cowie, cowies. Ooh.
Good work, Pups. Now let's track down the honey in the hive.
The bees have taken over my lair.
The bees seem to like the flower on Mayor Humdinger's hat.
They're gathering nectar. Nectar's what bees make honey from. I know who to call.
Hi, Ryder. What's up?
Sky, I need you to lure some bees out of Mayor Humdinger's lair.
Okay, let's take to the sky. Oh, bees! I have a nice flower full of nectar for you.
Now lead them back to Farmer Yumi's.
The bees are going into a beehive to make more honey. Sweet!
Thanks for finding my honey, my beehive and my bees.
Whenever you have a problem, just bzzz for help.
Look, I'm a Viking! Ha ha ha! I can't see! Oh no! Look at this mess! We better clean it up, Mini Patrol! Hey, where's Turtle? Oh, there he is! Turtle, stop! Come on, team! Turtle's moving really fast! We don't want him to get lost! Mini Patrol is on a roll! I'm pretty sure Turtle went somewhere over there! Huh? This isn't Turtle. It's that ball from the museum. I didn't know it could walk. Aw, it's a little mouse. That means Turtle could still be at the museum. Where is the museum? Alex! Alex!
It's time to call the Paw Patrol.
Do you see anything, Chase?
Not yet, Ryder.
Try using your light. Maybe Alex will see it.
Rough flashlight.
Alex!
Guys, someone's looking for us. I think it's the Paw Patrol. We're over here.
Chase, shine your light that way.
Ah, they can't see us, but I bet they'll see this. We're over here!
That's Alex! We found them!
Let's go!
Sorry I left without telling anyone, Ryder. I promise I won't go out at night all by myself ever again.
Go and have a great holiday.
Okay, bye. Are you sure this is the right way? I can't see anything in this fog.
This hotel is going to be first class. Garby made the reservations himself online. There's the beach. I knew we were going the right way. Look, it's got a lounge chair and everything.
But where's the hotel?
That must be it right over there.
I guess this place isn't so bad. Oh, look at that!
Look at these fancy top hats. They must be for the guests to wear.
It is. Here's your tuna. What's this? Intruders sneaking into my secret lair. They won't get away with this. In fact, they won't get away at all. Time for lair lockdown.
What's that rumble?
Maybe we're near the airport.
Ha! Take that, intruders. You're trapped. Along with my kitties. Ah, my kitties!
Hi, Mayor. Humdinger?
Hi, Ryder. I bravely trapped some intruders in my lair with a big boulder, but my kitties got themselves trapped inside too.
We'll be right over. Hi, Mayor Humdinger. Is that the boulder right there?
Yes, and hurry. If anything happens to my kitties, I don't know what I'll do.
One boulder on the move.
Oh, thank goodness. Did those big bad intruders scare you?
Who are the intruders?
Oh, hi, Ryder. Did you all book this hotel too? Wowee, what are the odds?
Check out full episodes of PAW Patrol on Nickelodeon.